Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this tutorial I will show you how to do a shell stitch. So let's get started. So in order to do a shell stitch I will chain 15. So let me make a slip knot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now I have a chain of 15. So what I'll do is I will double crochet in the third chain from the hook. So this is the first chain, second chain and third chain. So I will do a double crochet in the third chain from the hook. So I've done a double crochet. Now I will do 4 more double crochets in the same chain space. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 4. So I have 5 double crochet and the 3 chain. So this is how a shell stitch is. So now let me show that to you once again. So now I'll skip 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. I'll skip these 3 chains. In the 4th chain I will do a double crochet. So I will do 5 double crochets in that chain space. So I've done 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th one. This is how a shell stitch looks like. So let me show that to you one more time. So now I will skip 3 chains. So I'll skip this 1, 2, 3. In the 4th chain I will double crochet 5 times. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is how a shell stitch looks like. So if you enjoyed watching this tutorial, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay tuned for more videos.